classical sonata? It can be intriguing, isn't it? It is usually long and consisting of 3 or 4 contrasting movements. There would be moments of technical difficulties, and in all, it would take you quite a long time. Welcome to the Josephine Piano Academy. In this series, I shall show you how you can manage your pieces, play better, struggle less, and enjoy the process of learning faster and more effectively towards your goal and dream of being a competent, happy, and good pianist. Today, I shall take you through Mozart Sonata No. 7 in C major K309. Let's discuss the performance aspects.